Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to make a DIY stylus. So first uh, you need copper wire, a pen without a refill, and some cotton. Twist it like this. Just twist it and it becomes like this. And hold it tightly here and push it so that it becomes bulgy in the front. Then you take the copper and then right door, please close. Okay, then you make the copper, this copper wire as a hook. Wait, okay, you make it as a hook. Just wait, you have to bend it little more. Okay, then it should look like this. See, then you take this hook and you put it into the pen and it should look like this. Then you hold the top here, you press it and then you twist this around. Twist the copper wire around the pen. Then you take the cotton and you wait. Uh, Put it inside the uh, pen inside the pen and make sure it fits inside. And the copper wire should touch the cotton and make the cotton wet. As I have already made it wet, it will work for me. Please make it wet little bit, and the copper wire, you should touch the copper wire like this and use it on your phone. So let me show you. Okay, see like this you can control your phone with your stylus. And the copper also should not touch the phone. See, let me open a game. Okay. See, let me open Among Us. See. Online, public. See, if you want, there is. I'll wait. Okay. See, I won't touch it at all. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and if by chance I put my brother's link in the description, please subscribe to his channel also. He posts asphalt videos only, I think, and tag with Ryan. Kids game. Hey.
And
Bye.